Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your unwanted tickets on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website. Now from the homepage, click on sign in at the top section in order to log into your account by using your email address and your password. Once you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the homepage from which you will be asked to fill up your first steps, or you may also be taken into your dashboard. Now within your dashboard, you will find all of the tickets that you have. So go over to your dashboard menu and you will see the list of all of the tickets. You can simply click on the boxes at the left side for the tickets that you wish to delete. And now you will see the edit option at the top right corner once you have chosen all of the tickets that you wish to delete. Just click on the drop down menu alongside edit and you will see the delete option. Click on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete these tickets. Click on the OK button once again and now these tickets will be deleted right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your tickets on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.